What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I finally got my laptop fixed. And this video is going to be very important. We're going to review a lot of charts, different charts: USDT dominance, USDC dominance, USDT dominance, S&P 500 that it has made a new all-time high, DXY, and I'm going to talk about what could happen. These are just my predictions. Bitcoin with I'm going to talk about what Alessio Rastani was covering a couple of days ago in his video and how he was still bullish for Bitcoin in the daily chart. And just make sure to like and subscribe if you appreciate this kind of content, and even share this video with your friends. So watch the entire video and you will learn a lot of things in here. And I'm going to cover technical analysis for Bitcoin. So I'm going to start first with the technical analysis. As I said before, just a quick review. I said that since we went lower, if we're going to probably get support, and we did. We exactly did from where I was saying. 38,500 dollars, and it exactly got support from here. So we started going up, but this yellow line that you guys see, it has been stopping Bitcoin a lot of times. It's a very huge resistance, but there is still a chance that Bitcoin could break and go above. If it, and I was saying that we should not break this below this yellow support line. As you guys see, this daily candle, we closed green, but it does not mean it can go back down, because we are getting rejection. Two red candles from previous 2 days that we had. Two daily candles that we closed were actually red, and we finally made another green line. We might still go back down and get another support, but if we break, we're gonna go back down to $40,000. And if it does not hold it, my next target will be 37,000, almost 700 ish. Okay, so this is that. And if we actually break above this yellow line, I'm gonna expect that Bitcoin is gonna probably go see $46,000. Now, so I'm gonna actually talk to you guys. I didn't mention before, and I was just telling my members the other day. This is a very interesting thing that we can actually consider. That this, if you grab the ruler in here, and you just go from all-time high of 2017, and just uh, pull it down to the last bear market's rally, you guys see that almost 30% was the difference from top to this top, right? And now it's going to be interesting enough that if we actually get from here, the last bull market, we had almost $69,000, down to here is almost 30% too. Okay, it is very interesting to see how beautifully they are similar. Okay, they're not exact, but they are very similar, right? So that's why I'm still saying that this could be the top. We see this huge resistance. If we actually break above, which is very odd to me. Okay, it is very hard to do. Bitcoin is not gonna probably. This is just a pullback to me right now. Okay, so Bitcoin might even try to go back up around here, and we're gonna probably go back down. Okay, so these are just pull back to where it has broken below. Okay, I had actually made this line for you guys, and every time it does this to me. Okay, never mind. It doesn't want to do it. So, but to me, this is not really looking too bullish. But Alessio Rastani was saying, let me actually go down and explain about this. Okay, so he was saying that in MACD, in daily chart, Bitcoin looks bullish because anytime that we are on uptrend, okay, and we see a bullish cross, this blue line is crossing this red line. At the same time, we see this green turning green around this area, the MACD, around this zero. That could be a good sign for Bitcoin that is going to be, it looks bullish. it totally makes sense that last time this happened on the uptrend, we went, we broke above, Bitcoin broke above, is still consolidated and started going up, right? Even the same thing around here. Let me a little bit zoom out. Okay. But I'm gonna tell you guys why I don't agree that it does not have to happen all every time. I understand that in here we still got we went it went bullish and it went up. In here, same as here, we went up, same as here. Even it was lower, we went up. But let's go on the downtrend. Actually, so I agree with him on this. Okay, that it looks when it's on the uptrend, if it breaks above the blue line around the zero level, it could be bullish, right? But if we actually consider the same thing for USDT, okay, I'm gonna add it in here too. Okay, that's gonna be MACD plus RSI, right? Okay, what should we say to this then? Okay, so if you guys don't know, for new viewers, if you USDC dominance means if it goes higher, that means there's sell off. People sell and they actually turn their coins into USDC, right? Same in here for USDT dominance. Okay, I have been reviewing this with you guys before when we were around here. Was I said the lowest level we're gonna go around this close candle, and you guys see these sharp hits that we had many times. That's why it stopped going lower for USDC. So as you guys saw, we had this all-time high for Bitcoin around this $49,000, and as it went, USDT gained some dominance, Bitcoin went lower, right? And same as here for DXY. DXY is too huge just compared with Bitcoin because it you can, I mean, even stock markets are related to this. So if DXY goes higher in price, that means stock markets and crypto get sell off, right? And now even S&P 500 made a new all-time high. But I want you guys to just compare this with Bitcoin's chart in the last bull market. All right, if you guys remember this area, when we had our all-time high around almost $69,000, this was very similar to what S&P 500 is doing right now, right? It made all-time high, everybody got bullish, right? So let me make this line to see how much higher it went, Bitcoin went, and we still crashed, right? And same in here. I'm not saying it's gonna exactly happen again, but the same level you guys see that it has broken above, but it does not mean that it cannot go back. Okay, so this could happen for S&P 500 as well. And so if S&P 500 goes lower and crashes, it's gonna crash Bitcoin with it. Okay, they are still correlating together. Okay, so you guys see that how many of these green candles we have, we could still go lower and Bitcoin could still get pumped to almost uh $46,000, but that could be it before we go a lot lower, guys. Okay, this could be the level I'm watching. If we break above this resistance line, right, we could go up to here, and that would totally make sense that USDT dominance could go lower. That means people are still buying. And if we start getting another support around here, this time we're going to go a lot lower, guys. Okay. So same as here, we have been seeing that how the XY is getting support. I saw a gap for the XY and I am expecting there is a high chance of going and meeting this gap in here. Let me make it bigger. You guys see this gap, right? Right here. I don't know, it doesn't want to do anything. Anyways, so we could still go back, get support around here. This is the same level that Bitcoin, similar to this, Bitcoin got supported and it started rising again. Yeah, so DXY could get another support. It does not have to go back down again. So it could go get support around here. We see a lot of support around here. So DXY could go lower in price. So we could get a temporarily pump for everything. And if it gets that support that around this area, this time we're gonna go a lot higher for DXY, and we're gonna probably most likely see sell off for Bitcoin and even other assets. None of these are financial advice. Do not trade based on what I'm saying. This is just my different views. I come and analyze everything in here and I come and share them with you. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Your likes help this channel a lot. Okay, so it's still back to Alessio. He made a really good point. Okay, but it does not always have to happen, because actually, if the uptrend turns into bearish and we start going up, it could go and we could see these areas, lower areas, which would make sense that if we get another support around this $32,000, then we can go a lot higher and this could turn bullish and go up. Okay, so it does not always have to uh, get that support and become bullish. Okay, so he makes sense, but it does not have to happen all the time. So in general, I am still bearish for Bitcoin short term, especially before halving. Even if after halvings, my huge support area is around here. I'm repeating some of this, and this is screaming that we have a huge resistance here. Okay, same as where I am repeating this one, because this is it's a good example that just imagine this reverse of this is here. Okay, so we got support, went higher, back down to here, got support again, and it started going up. So imagine the opposite of it in a bigger time frame, right? So it started crashing, went up, couldn't go higher, went after a year, went to the same level, and it got rejected really hard. And now it's pulling back, and then it could start going back down. Okay, you guys see these type of charts, we could still go lower. Okay, so this is another video and I wanted to warn you guys, and I gave you guys my feedback about what Alessio Rastani was saying about how he thinks that MACD is looking bullish in daily time frame. But if you actually go to weekly, look where we are. Very high, very high. Okay, we are in here, so the opposite of it in weekly could happen. So we could get sell off and start going lower. Okay, so even for S&P 500, let's try that actually. Let's find that. There we go. Okay, you guys see that last time the RSI went to this level, started crashing, got support around here. Okay, and we went up. We are meeting the same level, guys. Same level. So I want you guys to think about it. Do not just hurry on buying this. These are very overpriced, guys. Okay, I already have my 401k on S&P 500, but I speak the truth. Okay, I don't want to hype you guys to go get S&P 500. I'm just saying everything in general. It's up to you. It's your money, your decision. But longer term, these are gonna go higher. But short term, within the next year, within the next 6 months, we could see very bad sell-off. All right, I'm gonna make another video for my members, and if you want to join, I'm gonna talk about new gem tomorrow probably. So make sure to join and join the team. We have 22 members. I talk about a lot of my experiences, my mistakes, what my strategies are for the next bull market, and how we are making sure that we're not gonna miss out anything for the next bull market. Does not matter where the market is going. Even if it's going lower or higher, we are ready for it. Okay. So I will come back with another video. Like and subscribe. Like the video right now, please. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.